Cubbies, it's Black China Bear. I am here with a Fashion Nova haul. You guys know I'm a Fashion Nova partner, so I just want to put it out there. This first outfit, I actually lost the footage of me wearing it, which makes me so mad. But luckily, I got some pictures of it. This is called the Cora lace jumpsuit in the color taupe, a size 2X, and it is $44.99. It has underwire in the top part, but it's not supportive. It's just there to hold structure for the outfit. My only complaint about this outfit is that the bottom of it doesn't stretch. So like when I'm standing up, I feel fine, but like when I go to sit down, I am worried about the bottom part not stretching. Guys, this outfit is like a wrap shirt. It's super duper long. But you would just wrap it around yourself. I think I'm going to bring it to the front if I can. Oh, yes, nice and long. This is sexy. Come on, Nova. So this is called the Croatia Floral Skirt Set Lavender Combo 2X. And it is $49.99, so $50. It's like a long high-low skirt. It zips on the side, but it's elastic in the back, so I didn't even have to unzip it to pull it on. And as you guys can see, it has this long wrap shirt. It's really, really cute. Like it goes all the way down in the back. Like, how cute is that? Oh my gosh. Does that have pockets? Oh, no, it doesn't. Girl, if it had pockets, that just would have been it. Like, I would have been over the top about this outfit. But it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I ain't got to say nothing else about it. You guys know how I feel. It fits great. It looks great. It's like that, I don't want to say linen, but it's like a linen-esque cottony stretchy material. It's not super stretchy, but it has like a little bit of a give to it. I'm upset. I think it comes in another color too, I saw on the site. But this is, I'm happy. I'm happy, you guys. Let me just say, I am happy. This is so cute. So guys, from the Fashion Nova website, I got a couple different shirts. So I'm going to be trying them on with these jeans. Okay, so let's get into this top. This is called the Fashion Icon Tunic Top. The color white is a size 1X, and it is $22.99. And this shirt, you guys, like, I don't know if you've ever been to like a store, like a bodega or whatever, and they have these bags and they say thank you in red. This is inspired by that, but this one says Fashion Icon. I thought that was so cute, so casual. This shirt, the material is like a thicker quality t-shirt, and it's very stretchy, like super stretchy. This is a 1X, you guys. And you can see how big it is on me, which can be good as well, because like if you like to tie your shirt up, this is going to be great for that. But it also just, it fits really nice. So this is what it looks like. I think it's a great fit on this shirt, and the material is really, really nice. So I don't know, I think I would size down in this shirt. I would size down one size in this shirt. Okay, let's get into the next one. So guys, this shirt is called Let's Rouge Around Top. The color taupe. I thought it was gold, but it's taupe apparently. It's size 2X, and it is $37.99. I had to have this shirt because it's gold. Like, it says taupe, but it's gold. The rouging is so cute. It reminds me of, like, Princess Jasmine. I have another top that is more Princess Jasmine, but it just reminds me of that type of style, and I love that. And you guys know I'm a sucker for some sleeves. I said this is too cute. I had to have it. It looks good with some jeans, a skirt, however you want to style it. I think it's so freaking adorable. It's uber stretchy, you guys. Like, it stretches like nobody's business. It is just a cute shirt. But this is like so freaking adorable. Let me give you guys a close-up. Like, tell me that's not gold. Like, tell me this is not gold. I don't understand why they have it as taupe, but it's totally gold. I do have a bra on. I just have my sleeves tucked down like that. But you can put on an underwire bra. I said underwire. You can put on a, what's those things called? A strapless bra. Thank you, Jesus. But you can put on a strapless bra if you want to. But this is so cute. Is that not adorable? So guys, this shirt is called If You Don't Pay My Bills. Short sleeve top, the color white, a size 2X, and it is $17.99. Sometimes because I don't know what size I am. I don't know if I'm a 1X or 2X. I noticed that with Fashion Nova shirts, it does me better to order one size down when it comes to their t-shirts. So this is a size 2X. You can see it's really, really big. This shirt though, if you want to, like, you can tie it in a knot in the back. Like, tie it like in a knot. And it's going to look great. Um, the model, she's wearing it tied up in a knot too, so you can tie the knot in the back or in the front. I love it because of what it says. People be in everybody's business a little bit too much, but it says if you don't pay my bills, shut up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so cute, like, oh my gosh. But like by itself is huge on me, so like you could wear this like this, maybe with some shorts and some thigh-high boots. Boo boo, that would be so freaking cute. It's very stretchy, it's like a cottony material. So this one is like a little bit thinner than the Fashion Icon shirt, like a regular t-shirt. And it is really, really cute. Like, I'm so excited to wear this. I'm going to be tying this up. Like, if you want to, guys, if you're not good at tying it, you can also use like a hair tie and do it like a ponytail. This is all up to you. But yeah, that's this shirt. So Cubbies, I saw this on the website. Like, I kept seeing this, like, the ad through my Facebook. And I was like, so cute, but it's not going to fit. It's so cute. But I said, I'm going to get it anyways and see. Like, you never know, it could fit. But this is called the Next Level Harness Fanny Pack. The color black. This is like one of those one size fits all kind of things. And it is $32.99. When I tried it on, it fit perfectly around my waist, but it did not fit around my thigh. And so I just added a piece of elastic band to it to make it stretch further. Doesn't look super duper neat, but it fits now. So let me try it on for you. So it fits like that. I think it is so cute and so sexy. And then, like, you know, you have your purse and you ain't gotta carry it. You still hands free, you know? So it's like a fanny pack, but like I said, it's next level. It's sexier rather than just having it sitting right here. So I said, this is so cute. And it also comes in red too, you guys. So guys, this shirt is called the AVA Corset Ruffle Top, the color blue. I got the size 3X, and it is $49.99, so $50. I got this in a 3X because I was really afraid. It's a corset, sometimes they don't run right, you know, they'd be too small. So I said, I'm going to get the biggest size they had, and I think I could have got a 2X with this. It's super stretchy. But it still fits good. Like, you can't tell it's too big, so I'm good. I'm still gonna wear it. But it's super duper stretchy. Like, look at that. It's not like a regular corset top where it's just like really constricting and you can't breathe. It's a loose material. It does have the boning in there still, but it just fits great. Like, this thing, it stretches a lot, especially in the back. Like, it stretches. So I think you can get your true size in this top. I love this detailing. So like, this is the one I said really reminds me of Princess Jasmine because the coloring and then like the poofiness. And guys, if you don't know, Princess Jasmine is like my favorite Disney princess. That's my girl. But anyways, this shirt is so cute. So it has like a little exposed shoulder. It has straps so you can still wear a bra. And then it has like the ruffle detailing on the strap. And then these big old sleeves. Look at that. How cute. I have a skirt that I want to wear this with. I bought this specifically for that skirt, and I cannot wait to style that outfit. If you guys want to see how I style it, let me know. But even with a pair of jeans, it's super duper cute. So, what are you going to do? Oh my god. You guys, this outfit is so sexy. Okay, let me give you guys the information about this. This is called Sneak Your Love Skirt Set, black combo, size 2X, and it is $39.99. So $40 for a two-piece set. You can't beat that. And it's this sexy. So this is just like a regular pencil skirt. Let me get back so you guys can see. It goes all the way down. Like, it's like literally over my feet. And then it ties at the waist here. It has these little flaps on it so that you can hide your fupa, which is always a plus. And then it's a crop top. However, the skirt is high-waisted, so like you don't have to have a separation between your crop top and your skirt if you don't want to. You can pull it all the way up, or you can lower it down a little bit, just depending on how comfortable you are with exposing skin. It is long sleeve, as you guys can see. And it's super duper stretchy. The top fits great. The skirt is a little bit loose. I don't know if it's meant to be that way. I would prefer mine to be just like, you know, a little bit tighter. I like mine to be like bodycon. But it's still good. It's like, this is one of those throw on this outfit with a pair of sandals and you can just stroll around. You know, it's just really, really comfortable and really cute, and the material is super duper soft. This next piece is called the Romantic Fling Floral Jumpsuit White Combo size 2X, and it is $49.99, so $50. This thing is so cute and flowy. Does it have pockets? Please tell me it has pockets. No, it does not have pockets. Oh! It just needs pockets. That's it. That's the only complaint I have. So anyway, this is really, really cute. As you guys can see, it's like the wide leg pants, which are like my favorite. So cute. This thing has layers to it too, which I love. So it's lined on the inside, so that way it's not sheer. Like the outer material is sheer, but there's a lining underneath it, so that way you don't get to show all your goodies. It is cut very, very low. I have a bra on, so you can see my bra. And then it has these grippers on the lining, so that way if you go without a bra, it won't fall back and expose your boobs, because that rubber lining is help hold it into place, which is also good. It has like this little snatched waist, and it has like a little tie in the back, and it also zips up in the back as well. It's just so flirty and floral and cute, and I'm just here for the color scheme. It is just adorable. So I had to save this piece for last because I think it's my favorite piece. Actually, this is my first time trying it on since I got it, and I still think it's my favorite piece. Okay, so this one is called Brighten the Day Floral Jumpsuit. The color is a fuchsia combo. I got a size 2X, and it is $22.98, you guys. $23 for this lovely, lovely jumpsuit. Hopefully you guys are seeing it goes all the way down. It's wide leg. It goes all the way down. I probably will wear this with some heels just because I don't want the back of the pants dragging on the ground. And just so you know, I'm 5'9", because I don't think I said that at the beginning of the video, but I'm 5'9". This piece, you guys, is so beautiful. It's super, super stretchy, you guys. Like, I could probably wear this in a 1X. Like, it's a nice, stretchy material, but it also cleans. I love that. It's off the shoulder, but of course, if you wanted to, you can drag it up over top of the shoulder. I do still have a bra on, just have my bra sleeve pulled down like that. But you can wear, like I said, a strapless bra if you want to. It just zips up in the back. So it zips up in the back. I think my tag is here. Yeah, but it zips up in the back. It's super duper cute. I am just here for this jumpsuit. It's so pretty. The color is bright and vibrant. It says fuchsia, but to me this is more like a hot pink color, like hot pink. To me, fuchsia has a little bit more of a purple hint to it. But yeah, this outfit, and this is like so cute and comfortable and stretchy and just, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's Fashion Nova haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below about which piece was your favorite. And like I said, I will list everything down below in the description bar for you guys. And I have a discount code, which is ChinaXO. You can use that at checkout. But also look online at the Fashion Nova site to see what kind of sale they're having. Because like I want you guys to get the best sale for you. I love you guys so freaking much. Like this video. Share with your friends. Like, let's keep growing our channel. Catch you next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Black China Bear. Mwah. Bye.